Experience excellence in e-commerce management with Ecommerce Service Solution. Discover the difference that professionalism and dedication can make. At Ecommerce Service Solution, we offer comprehensive e-commerce services designed to elevate your brand and drive unparalleled growth. Our approach is rooted in expertise, meticulous attention to detail, and a relentless commitment to your success. Why partner with us? Proven expertise. Our team consists of seasoned e-commerce professionals who bring a wealth of experience and a deep understanding of the industry. We stay ahead of the latest trends and utilize cutting-edge techniques to keep your brand competitive. Customized solutions. We recognize that each brand has unique needs and goals. Our bespoke services are tailored to your specific requirements, ensuring personalized strategies that align perfectly with your business objectives. Exceptional account management. Our comprehensive account management service covers every aspect of your e-commerce operations, from daily inventory updates and order processing to handling customer queries and reviews. We ensure your business runs smoothly and efficiently. Optimized product listings. We create high-impact product listings that stand out in a crowded marketplace. Our approach includes detailed product descriptions, professional-grade images, and strategic keyword placement to boost your product's visibility and attract more buyers. Innovative sales strategies. Our data-driven sales strategies are designed to maximize your revenue. We implement targeted promotional campaigns, competitive pricing strategies, and effective advertising solutions to drive traffic and increase conversions. Multi-platform mastery. We manage your brand's presence across all major e-commerce platforms, including Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra, and more. Our integrated approach ensures your brand is consistently represented and optimized for each platform's unique audience. Strategic brand building. We go beyond managing your accounts to help build a strong and cohesive brand identity. Through strategic marketing initiatives, social media engagement, and influencer partnerships, we enhance your brand's visibility and reputation. Transparent reporting and analytics. Our detailed performance reports and analytics provide clear insights into your business's performance. We offer actionable data that helps you make informed decisions and continually refine your e-commerce strategy. Our commitment to your success. At Ecommerce Services Solution, we are dedicated to providing the highest level of service and achieving exceptional results. Our team works tirelessly to ensure your brand not only meets but exceeds its potential. We pride ourselves on our professionalism, hard work, and unwavering commitment to your success. Elevate your e-commerce business with Ecommerce Services Solution. Partner with us to experience unparalleled growth and excellence.